All right, guys, we are off. All right, like I said, we are at Pony Creek Lake today. I was originally wanting to find a creek to kind of traverse and go down in a kayak, and I looked up Pony Creek and I thought maybe, but ultimately decided against that, but then found out about this lake. This is an 84-acre lake, so that if you remember Mile Hill from any of my prior episodes, Mile Hill is a 10-acre lake. By the way, guys, first cast, first fish on the Skunk Buster. So there's a nice little guy right there. Oh goodness. Hey, you guys couldn't really see that, huh? My angle is way too high. Let's try this again. How's that? Yeah, that's fine. My bad, guys. Kind of forgot my standing. But here's the fishy I caught. Hey, he's peeing on me. You peed on my coffee. Shoot. All right. Well, thank you, friend. Goodbye, my friend. Well, I told you guys, that's the Skunk Buster right there. And he just tore that up. I'll probably have another bite before I get this thing out of the water. Nope. Okay. Anyways, this lake goes north to south. It's 84 acres. Like I said, a lot bigger than the last one I was on. I'm already getting bit at again. Either that or I'm on weeds. And my goal here is to go against the west end. I'm going to go along the west bank because there's a cove over there I'm going to hit. And from there, we'll work our way up all the way to the creek entrance. So this is a man-made lake. This lake was actually made in 1994 because they kept having flooding. And so they created this as a floodplain, so everything from the less hills that rolled down had a place to go. And over that direction is where the dam is at. And then it feeds off into a creek, and overflows, I should say. Overflows into a creek, and then from there, I just got another hit. From there, it ultimately ends up in the Missouri River. So here's your little fun fact about this place. Because so far, I really love what I'm seeing out of this lake. I just got to figure out how to fish it. There we go. Oh, there are some green sunfish in here, which I would like to find some. This guy's taking me for a ride. Goodness. Goodness, that's a big boy. That is a big boy. Goodness. All right. Now, why did I put my pliers in here? Ugh. When I know I'm going to need them. I'm using a treble hook. I'm going to need them. Although this guy's barely in there, actually. These guys are warm, too. Goodness. Warm and healthy. You. See, he tried to hop in my shoe, too. Where'd you go, brother? Come here. I'll get you back out there. Just let me pick you up. Let me show you off. This one's peeing on me, too. Oh, well. Goodbye, my friend. He's an aggressive little guy. I did get a vibrating jig that I found on a tree at one of the last places I went fishing. So, I mean, I could throw that on. Oh my goodness. I just set my fishing pole down. Oh, that was a crappie too. Oh, so this is crappie territory out here. crappie territory. Okay, I just had my fishing pole down. And yeah, it caught it just by existing. Goodness. So I'm gonna throw one just right over here. Hopefully those people ain't there to tow. Oh, I just got hit. Yep. That might be a bass. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is a bass. They said, screw your fake fish. We want your rooster tail. There we go. First bass of the day. Fish number 3. Okay. Fish number 3. There we go. Rock on. Goodbye, my friend. That was either on a log or a fish. Oh, this guy might be gut hooked. Oh, no, he's not. We're good. We got him right in the boat. Yes, there we go. There's a nice little catch. He followed that one for quite a while too. He was on it. He was on it. Thank you, my friend. Goodbye, my friend. Oh, I love that. All right, what's that, number 4? Oh boy. Yeah. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come on, yes. Yes, let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh my god, that's a good one too. It wouldn't be my best on the year, but that's a really good one. That might be a 1.5 pounds, maybe. Oh my goodness, let's go. All right, come here, baby. That's a great fish. Stop it, stop. I don't want you. Ooh, that's not good. This guy, I don't want to touch that. Oh, that's right in the hook. Right in the roof of his mouth. Right in the roof of his mouth. But look at that. He's got some weird stuff on his face. But that's a great fish, guys. Should we take a picture with it? I think this one we take a picture with. But we'll give him the good side, though. All right, nice fishy. About a 1.5 pounds, give or take. Goodbye, my friend. Beautiful. Give it one little twitch. A lot of people do 2 twitches, but on my $30 Walmart rod, 1 twitch gives it really good movement, and the second twitch kind of makes it look dumb. So come here, baby. Come here. Another really good one. Another really good one, guys. Oh my goodness. And that's like, I think I'm sitting on top of their bed is where I think I am. Because that one was in the same exact spot. It's a little smaller, but it's still a great fish. Great fish. Come here, baby. Stop it. If I wanted to shower today, I wouldn't have gone fishing. I'm just joking, guys. Calm down. I'm going to shower. All right. Can confirm this is a different fish. Come on. Get out of that mouth. I don't want to break this. Okay, there we go. Where are you? There you are. We got us another one. Another really good fish. I love that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's get another goodbye video. Alright, another beautiful bass. Time to say goodbye. Goodbye, my friend. Beautiful. That's a really good cast. Oh yeah, these guys are fishing too. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Oh, that's a good one. Come here, baby. Come on. Come on. Oh my. Oh my. That one might have been my PB on the year. Might have been. Wow. What a snag. Wow. Perfect hook. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that beauty. Wow, what a fish. My goodness. What an exciting day of fishing. Where is... Oh my god. Wow. This fish is a monster. Let's see. Wow. All right. Dude. Look at that. Just look at the mouth on that thing, huh? Wow. Thank you so much for eating my hook, brother. Look at those gills. Those are some nice healthy gills right there. Definitely the biggest one of the day. That's a 2-pounder for sure. It's time to get you back to your home. Goodbye, my friend. Oh, that was a fish. Pulled it right off of there. Come here, baby. Nope, stay down. Stay down. Stay down. There we go. There we go. We're back on the board, babies. We are back on the board. Very, very subtle bite, guys. Very subtle bite on this one. Just a little guy. Thanks for biting, though. Yeah, love that. Awesome. Goodbye, my friend. You stay in the water, please. No, you were supposed to stay in the water. Again, terrible fishery by me. Okay. Hey, here's my first fish on a... It's my first fish on this grub. Come on, get out of there. All right, there we go. The grub has won. Goodbye, my friend. Okay, that's the park up here, so I guarantee... Holy... Now that was a giant carp. The heck made you so angry? Imagine if I caught that carp on this, on this ultralight. I have tried. Chartreuse is definitely getting hit. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Ooh, that's a nice one. Real nice one. Real nice one, guys. Love it. Goodbye, my friend. Oh. I think I'm on one. If it is, it's a small one. Hey, a crappie. Oh, that's a decent sized one too. Oh wow, it is a nice one. All right. Come on, get out of his mouth. There we go. Yeah. Sir, 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 sir. Oh, are you just gonna jump out on your own? Stop it. Really good sized crappie, honestly. It's dirty now because it's helping me clean, but goodbye, my friend. There's definitely a lot of fish in here. Pretty decent sized ones too. Huge fan. Huge fan of this place. And I say that sincerely. Oh. So I'll definitely be coming back here. Definitely.